yeah, let's run through my trade I took on my NFP trade I took on Friday. I just want to select a clear chart, then we can get into it. Let's have a look. What was it like? Okay, perfect. Let's make sure it's clean. Yes, but it's slow. Okay, so let's quickly run through it. So what I obviously saw on NFP on Friday was the following. While price action is still loading, you'll see on the hourly, obviously we targeted, or we were trading into this level or this void that obviously had to be filled, as you can see here. So all the ideas came from the hourly. Yeah, let's put there. So obviously we were trading into that. Let's mark out quickly this one here till there. Okay, so this was obviously London Asian session, and then as we can obviously see that how the trade played out. But if we go down to my entry time frame, which was the 5 minutes, so this is obviously on what the trader was based off, the idea behind it, and I mean, this is quite obvious. You can already see the entry model, or the entry, yeah, which is the entry model. So we can adjust this to obviously that, and then we can, I mean, this is quite obvious. There we go. So going into London, we obviously had the expansion, or the momentum that came in going to the upside. This to me was, I mean, if you wanna be going through all the theory people are throwing around, we can say that this is a smart money trap. But I'm not even worried about that. I mean, here we have a level of liquidity that was obviously going to be taken out, and yeah, so this is obviously the stops just below that one, and then as we can see, this is obviously where NFP played out, or NFP came into the market, or whatever you want to call it. So after obviously price action like this, was not high. Here was the first high that was made. Price obviously coming back to retest structure to grab more orders before NFP, and yeah, after obviously this level was broken, that's when I placed my stop below this level there, and as we can see, that NFP played out quite well. So that was that for the week. I had a previous trade on EU. I will quickly run through that I did post on my Instagram page. Feel free to have a quick look on that. And while the screen is loading, we do have it's $89.99 for lifetime mentorship. So yes, it's not always going to be that cheap. So make sure you reach out to me, my team, and here was, so that was obviously this week as well, and then the second one. So I'm just gonna run through on the hourly quickly for you guys. Obviously, I mean, we can see that this was a POR that had to be filled, and we had highs, which is external liquidities, which will be this one. This one obviously resting above it would have, or was a void, hence the reason why I decided to look into it and taking the trade. Same exact one with this one, targeting external levels of liquidity as first one, and then that's our first target. Our second and last target was this level here, as you can see. So yes, price action was a bit choppy early on in the week, but the last few days played out quite nicely, and we obviously capitalized over it. And yeah, make sure you join the team while it's still $89 for lifetime. yeah, the community is just growing. For the price you pay and for what you receive, it doesn't match up. I mean, having 3 mentors in the group, with 24-hour access almost, to either one, it's honestly it's something to be proud of for me and my community. Thriving from day to day, and obviously building a relationship with our students, which is a vital part for us. Explaining where they're going wrong or helping them where they're going wrong. Yeah, so without further ado, make sure you join. You can reach out, you can leave a comment, we will get in touch with you. You can send us an email, it will all be in the description, or you can send us a DM. I will also leave the page, our Instagram page, in the description. But for now, that's it, and we will catch you guys in the new week.